So if I say to you, I think zip wire, go-karting and rock climbing is overrated, what would you think about? Well, that's the answer to today's question. So I received an email and the question was this. Mark, what's your feelings about doing a back to basics camp and literally keeping it basic? No activities such as zip wire, go-karts, etc. One of my assistant scout leaders think we should do at least one of these fun activities during our weekend camp. Great email, great question. Well, thank you very much. And it's about context, isn't it? You know, I can say that a fun camp is brilliant and we can do rock climbing and zip wiring and canoeing. That's brilliant. And I love those camps. And we often do those camps with my scout troop. But they can be expensive. Prices build up and you can get away. The price can go up and up and up. And next thing it's hitting into the hundreds and you think, this is a bit too much. But the question is about back to basics camp. What's my feelings about it? And I love those camps. I really do. So quite often we'll run a back to basics camp where literally it is back to basics and the scouts are given a fire lighting kit, you know, maybe a Moira knife, a backhoe saw, even this is a cheaper supermarket version. And, you know, just keep it back to basics. And they're literally learning from scratch. And that's what we're going to do in my scout camp coming up now, because all my scouts haven't camped for years, and even the leaders, we haven't camped for years. And we're going to learn how to put up the tent properly. We're going to learn how to put up an Icelandic tent neatly, straight, those guidelines all looking mighty fine. How to do a fire correctly. How to cook on an open fire, because many other scouts have only cooked in a gas oven or even an electric oven at home in the kitchen where you can adjust the temperature. They've never cooked on an altar fire. They've never done any whittling. And you know what? They've never just sat around a fire doing nothing, just talking, putting the world to rights, just talking about life. They've always got a phone in their hand, or they're playing a computer game, or they're on the internet, they're on Snapchat, they're doing whatever. And sometimes it's great just to switch off technology and just go back to basics. And sitting around a campfire, whittling away, making a bushcraft candle or a wizard face, doing some soap carving if you're in Cubs or something like that, and just keeping it basic. I think those ones are the fun camps as well. Just because we're not doing the fun activities and climbing up or go-karting or canoeing or dragon boating, that kind of fun activities, doesn't mean it can't be fun by doing a back to basics camp. In fact, those camps are where the bonding happens, where the team building happens, working as a team, making mistakes and learning along the way. So to answer your question, do I think back to basics camps are fine? 100%. And it's a bonus that those camps are cheaper as well. So you might not have to hire a van. You might be able to throw all the kit in your car, the other leaders' cars, and get some parents to take the kit as well. So you don't need to take as much and hire a transit van. Do you know what I mean? I prefer the back to basics camps, but that's just me. Let me know your thoughts. Do you agree with me, or do you like those fun activity camps? I'm not saying those fun activity camps are a waste of time. I love those ones. In fact, I really like going to Scarefest and it's 24/7 activities. Those camps are brilliant. I'm not saying they're wrong at all. My preference is a nice back to basics survival camp. What's yours? Comment below. Tell me, where's your favorite place to camp even? Or do you prefer doing a fun camp and I'm wrong? There's no right or wrong in scout camp, is there? Just keep it safe, follow the rules. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.